Hello everyone, this quick tutorial will show you around the LPS Marketplace and how you can add your business or service. Adding your business is completely free and is made to support each other as a community at our school. We will scroll down to the purple and green squares. This purple one takes you to the LPS Marketplace page. The green one takes you straight to a Google form so you can add your business there. I'll first take you to the LPS Marketplace page to show you around. You can also get to the LPS Marketplace by going to the For Families tab right on top. When the page opens up, you will see a chart introducing the LPS Marketplace. Below the intro are just a couple of examples of businesses and services that you can advertise so you can get an idea. Below that, you'll find the link to the form to add your business or service. Down here are where they will be displayed. These include logos with pictures of their products, descriptions, and contact information. Now, if you want to add your business or service, you will click this link. Here you will see a welcome. It will ask you to add your name of your business or service, pictures of logos and or products, menus. This will allow you to add up to 10 files. Type of business. This would be anything such as clothing brand, restaurant, cleaning service, daycare, etc. This is for a description of your business, like what you do. You can add whatever you would like people to know about your business. Here you will add the name of the person people will be able to contact, a phone number and or email. You have the option of adding social media that also promotes your business, and finally just add the language you speak. After this, just press submit and it will take a couple of days for us to review it and post it onto our website. And that is all. Don't forget to check out what other people in our community have to offer. Thank you.